Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about 5 overused words in English and learn synonyms for them so that the next time you see a nice person, you will say cordial. So let's get started. So the first word is angry. Marie was late for our meeting and I was so angry. Instead of using angry, you can say irritated, furious, cross, or even offended. Next word is other. Do you have any other options? Do you have any other solutions? Do you have any other questions? Instead of saying other, you can use alternative. Do you have any alternative options? Or do you have any further solutions? So the next word in our list is more, and the alternatives are greater, incremental, and additional. Well, actually they have slightly different meanings, but they make your speech more professional and close to native speaker's speech. So another overused word is nice. Do you know how many times in your life you've used the word nice? Yeah, too many times. So in order to replace this word, you can use attractive, delightful, charming, lovely, and polite. Well, actually they have slightly different meanings, but when it comes to describing a person or a thing, they are very similar. So the last word in our list is hard. Hard problem, challenging problem. Hard day is demanding day, which means that it requires a lot of energy to go through it. And the last one is hard task, which is complicated task. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Comment down below if you know other synonyms of these words. It was Amina with you. Take care. Bye.